Podcast.
Ya, tempat dimana kita belajar dan ngobrol pakai bahasa Inggris.
Ya, dan di sini kita bakal banyak ngebahas tentang bagaimana kita berbicara di sehari-hari gitu, kayak menggunakan bahasa Inggris.
Tentunya dengan fun.
Iya.
Betul sekali. Terus di sini juga kita bakal nge-react video, terus challenge for speaking.
Kita juga bakal daily conversation seperti biasa, seperti itu.
Dan
ngobrol.
memberikan explain yang simpel dan mudah.
Oke.
Tentu juga edukatif ya guys.
Oke.
So make sure to follow, like, share, and
Subscribe, oke. Halo guys,
Welcome back to
Ipod
English,
Podcast.
tempat dimana kita bisa belajar bahasa Inggris dengan
Fun
edukatif
dan pastinya super chill, ya, super chill.
Yes.
So in last episode we talking about 5 phrases that makes you sounds like native, atau 5 frasa yang membuat kita dengar seperti native.
Yes, that's true. But today we'll talk about something that almost everyone gets wrong.
Yeah, because in Indonesia especially, some people might just say something that is normal in their thought or their opinion, but it's actually a bit wrong. So let's start with a simple example. I still hear someone say aku setuju itu dengan I am agree.
Yeah, but it should be I agree without
Yeah.
because agree is already a verb.
Yeah, so you cannot just say I am agree with you. Instead you say I agree with you.
Yeah, okay. Next. Many informations. It sounds like normal, but information is uncountable, right?
Exactly. You cannot say information with S, with an S in the back of the word. The correct one to say that phrases is a lot of information or some information.
Okay, this one too. Let's discuss about it.
Discuss about it.
Yeah. You know,
Oh, yeah.
natives never say that.
Yeah. So they just said let's discuss it. So, not because here discuss is the meaning itself is talking about something, so you do not need about there.
Okay. Okay, next mistake. She's married with a doctor.
She's married with doctor.
Yeah, it sounds like logical,
Yeah.
but it's actually wrong.
That's right. This one is the correct one here is she married to someone, because you are married to someone. You not married with someone.
So is it she's married to a doctor?
To a doctor. Yeah, that's true.
Okay, I got it. So this let's next one. Is it according with research?
According with research.
Yeah. It's supposed to be according to research.
Okay, true. And people also say based on me, which is kind of weird. But the correct one here is in my opinion or for me.
Okay. Based on is just the fact, not the fact or the data, not the someone's opinion.
Okay, yeah. So that's all for today. That's all for today. So don't worry if you guys made a mistake in speaking English, because we all have.
Yeah. This goal is to sound clearly and more natural, like step by steps. So this is
Ipod English,
podcast.
the place where you fix your English one episode at a time.
Alright, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Subscribe, guys.